Hello everyone, welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. Today we're gonna show how to portion and clean up the tuna used for sushi sashimi. Today we have the B.E Tuna 19.2 pound from Costa Rica. So we're gonna start portion to use for sushi and sashimi tonight. Let's start. So first thing, we check all around the tuna that they have the bad spot. Sometimes the tuna that are sent to us has the bad spot or dark spot. So we're gonna separate that part. We clean it up a little bit with the clean towel. Use the dog. Start. We're gonna portion the tuna in three parts. So we're gonna use the hand for portion the tuna. 1, 2, and 3. Cut straight through the skin. Clean the knife. Another one. And then we're gonna clean up the black spot or the blood line. So all the line here and all the line here. So we're gonna fillet and take it off. So we start with the tail part. So make sure that you take all the bloodline part out like this. So we're gonna take it off the skin. Okay, finish tail part. Other side. So just follow the line of the butt line. Clean up the knife. Then do it again for taking off the skin. There you go. So the skin, we're gonna throw it away. It's not the same salmon skin that we can deep fry. So this part is come up with the belly a little bit. So we're gonna portion. always clean your knife. Always check that they don't have the scale on top of the tuna. Same thing. Trim out the black part. So this part, the skin, we're gonna throw it away. We not fillet close to the skin because of the all the bacteria is maybe around of the tuna skin. So we're gonna throw it away. Do the same thing with the belly part. So this one, the belly part, but it's not ready to be the chutoro or otoro yet. So we're gonna use the spoon, silver spoon, scrape, use a little meat for the tuna roll or spicy tuna. Now we're gonna wrap it up. So we flip it off the cutting board to the clean side. Bring the plastic wrap, paper towel. Mostly all the restaurant that's gonna use right away, but for me, I gonna do the aging at least 4 days. So that's gonna bring up all the flavor of the tuna and make the meat is tender. So every day, gonna change the paper towel and change the wrap to check out all the meat, every piece of tuna. So wrap it tight. Do the same thing. Again, many restaurants gonna use this right away or for the dinner service, but it depends. It's not right or wrong. It depends on how the chef wants to do with the tuna. So for me, I keep in the right temperature, right humidity, at least 4 days. So for use for sushi or sashimi. And please remember, if you want to keep your tuna nice and keep the ruby red color, so you have to have to change the paper towel and rewrap every day. Okay, wrap it tight. So now, before finish, the important part is write down the date. Tuna, today is 15. Tuna, 15. So it'll be ready to use it 19. After this, gonna put in the cooler, and tomorrow we're gonna change the paper towel and change the wrap every day until 19. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe and press like or share to everyone. See you next clip. Thank you.